Alright, today we're making tortilla chip encrusted tilapia tacos. This is crushed up tortilla chips. When you got the rest of the bag and they're all small on the bottom and they're no good for dipping, you can crush them up. This was Brother Paul's idea.
Pinche Pablo.
And we use that for both fish and chicken. Got some crushed red pepper. Got some chili lime seasoning, Lawry's. And then some olive oil. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip it in the chips, the crushed up chips. And then put them on the pan. So I'm going to spray this with a little olive oil. They don't stick. These are very delicate fillets. That's why I don't do them on the grill. You know, they can go in the frying pan, but they're really delicate. So, broiling them is the way to go. I'm putting on a little of the chili lime on each side. I'm putting on some of the red peppers on each side. Get those coated. Put them on there. Alright, so we're going to put this tilapia in. We got it set on broil. And this stuff cooks really fast. I'm not even going to try flipping them. So we'll pull those out probably in about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll check on them in about 4 or 5. See how they're looking. Time for these puppies to come out. Don't want to overcook these at all. They're flaky, just perfect.
Tilapia is so tasty.
It's just how we want them. Then I got the cilantro and green onions ready. I'm gonna cut a little more white onion. We're using the Mission Zero Net Carbs tortillas. Oh wait, let me see the back of that shit. That's back when I had my painting company, Bear Pro Paint. I think I'm gonna go for about half of one of these for a fish taco. cilantro on there. Onion. And really, that's how I eat it, but we do have guac salsa and tartar sauce too. We're going in for the bite. Fish is done flaky. There's some salt in the tortilla chips. It's balanced by the red pepper and the cilantro and onions. Just good, quick, easy fish tacos. You can't go wrong. Like I told you, we eat lots of tacos around here. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button. And we'll see you next time in the kitchen.